Hi, it's Jason with J Bynes Financial. So far, we've talked about getting your estate organized and plugging some of those tax leaks. The next question almost everyone in your position asks is, how do I turn my savings into a steady paycheck I can't outlive without risking everything in the market and still being able to leave something behind for my family? One strategy many retirees like is a simple bucket approach, a short-term safety bucket that covers the next few years of income so market swings don't dictate your lifestyle. A long-term bucket that's invested to help outpace inflation over the next 20 to 30 years. And for many families, a legacy bucket that's intentionally set aside for kids, grandkids, or charities. When we line these up correctly, you'll get three things: confidence your paycheck is designed to last as long as you do, flexibility to handle surprises like healthcare costs, and clarity about what's likely to be left to your family instead of just guessing. In a 15-minute retirement review, we can take the accounts you listed in your organizer and show you how a bucket structure could look for your numbers in plain English. No pressure, no products. If that would give you more clarity, go ahead and grab a time by clicking the button below this video. We look forward to talking with you soon.